Okay guys, so let's try this Y delta done by ECE, engineering student of what college. Okay. Now, ang 3-phase galing sa variable frequency drive, single phase and 3-phase output 220. So naka-wire na siya. Ano yung setting sa timer?
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Yung ating hindi, since wala tayo sa board, medyo may konting yung ating wiring. But anyway, since madalian lang naman ito, after may gagamit naman ng iba. So, but in real application, dapat ayusin nyo yung wiring. May cable management, then color coded, and so on. Okay. So let's see how it works. So start. So, main and Y contactor para patakbuhin yung motor in Y connection. Then, after the setting dito, delta na siya. Okay, so that is Y delta. Ginagamit natin yan sa mga malalaking motor. Ito yung ating motor. Maliit lang naman siya. But basically, gamit natin to for soft starting ng malalaking motor with big loads. Okay? So, okay guys.